his talent of the country today will be under the Nasamuk Bharat Abhiyan and take a place only the community, friends, but also ourselves will be free because they should start with ourselves. So let us all together take a decision to make our district drug free. I pledge that I will do everything possible to the best of my ability to make country drug free. Jai Hind.